Hyundai has introduced the all-new Avante in South Korea, previewing the model that will be sold in North America as the 2027 Elantra. The 8th generation compact sedan arrives with a much sharper design, larger dimensions, and a more technology-focused interior. The new model adopts Hyundai's latest Art of Steel design language, giving it a wider and more athletic appearance. It features slim LED daytime running lights, separate main headlights positioned lower in the bumper, sculpted bodywork, and a distinctive H-shaped rear lighting signature. Hyundai has also increased the car's footprint. The new Avante is longer and wider than before, with a stretched wheelbase intended to improve interior space. Inside, the sedan receives a redesigned cabin with a large central display, updated Pleos Connect software, an AI assistant, physical controls below the screen, dual wireless charging, fast USB ports, and available premium audio. Safety equipment has also been expanded, with Hyundai adding 10 airbags and a broad range of driver assistance features. In Korea, the Avante will launch with 2 powertrain options: an improved 2.0-liter gasoline engine producing 147 horsepower, and a hybrid setup combining a 1.6-liter engine with an electric motor for 155 horsepower. The new Avante is expected to reach Korean dealerships later this year, with the 2027 Elantra likely to follow in North America in the coming months.